Hello, welcome to American School of English Language. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve the true, false, and not given in IELTS reading because many students struggle to solve this question. So, this paragraph is taken from the IELTS journal reading. The only difference between IELTS journal and academic reading, true, false, and not given section is that in journal reading, usually a separate paragraph is given about this question, like as we see here in journal, right? It's a separate paragraph. But in academic reading, these type of questions are usually a part of the full section, where are like 13 questions in each section, and you have to find those answers. But there is one thing that about these questions that these questions always run in a sequence. Like if you find one answer, the next answer will precede these. So you mean these questions run in a sequence. Okay, so guys, before we proceed, please subscribe my channel because I'm gonna soon post new videos about IELTS, PTE, and English grammar, so you can get the updates. So guys, let's understand the logic first. What is the logic about this question? So this is the logic: true, false, and not. This is the logic. So what is true if the statement agrees with the information, right? Like if this question is given, the question is held every year. If we find the same information up there in the paragraph, that's when it's true, right? And what is false? False is not like as we used to read in the school, like which is not given is false. In IELTS, a false is what is a contradiction. Like if the statement contradicts the information. Contradiction means opposite, negative of it. Like this question is given. The festival is held every year, right? What will be its negative? The festival does not held every year. What's mean by at not held every year? Like it happens after 2 years, 3 years, right? So that's mean it's false. And what is not given? Not given is in two ways, right? First, either it is not given, right? There is no mention of such thing in the paragraph. And the second thing is like if a partial statement is given, that does not matter either match with the true, it doesn't or with the false. That also falls into the not given category, right? Let's look at these questions individually now. So before which the best thing about to solve this question is first you gotta look at this question and then you start looking their answer. Like when you look at the question first, you should have an idea how it will false will be. Like the festival is held every year, right? That's true. If it's the same thing, like it's true, right? What will be false? Like the festival is held does not held every year, like after 2 years, 3 years, right? So let's see that. Let me pull out my pointer. So here, so I can show you what to do. Mm, so let's see. The festival is held every year. Let's see if it's held every year. It happens. So let's read the paragraph. As usual, the festival will be held in the last weekend too. So what it says? As usual. As usual mean what? Like it happens every year, right? So this statement is true then, right? Because the question is the festival is held every year. So we've seen in the paragraph as usual. As usual mean like every year, right? So this mean this statement is true. So you need to write it true. My pointer is not working here. Let me see how can I write it true here. Well, yeah. So it will be true, right? Let me put it here true. This will be true, right? Let's move to the next question now. This year festival focuses on the town history, right? If it focuses on the then it will be true, right? So if it does not focus on town history, it focuses on something else. So that means it will be False. So let's read the paragraph where we left it. So this year, okay, as usual, the festival held in the last weekend of June, this year on Saturday or to Monday, 27 to 29 June. Ever since last year's festival, the committee has been hard at work to make this year the best ever. The theme is Return through the ages. The scene will be acting and showing how the tone has developed since it was first established. So, how the tone has developed, mean like its history since it was established. So that means it's true because the festival focuses on the history, how it was developed since it was established. So this question will also be true. Let's move to the third question, guys. It's a good displays in the craft fair and unlike found in shops. So what will be its negative? Like, right? Unlike, so its positive its opposite will be like. So if we see that the good place in the aircraft are like ones found in shops, so that means it will be false. If it does not say anything like or unlike, so that will fall into not given category. Let's find the answer again. So we're gonna start from the next passage now. The craft fair is a regular part of the festival. Come and meet professional artists, designers, and craftsmen and women who will display their jewelry, paintings, ceramics, and much more. They will also take orders. So if you want one of them to make something specially for you, just ask. You will get it within a minute of the festival ending. So, guys, we have read this paragraph and we see we did not find anything like if the good displays in the craft are like and unlike those in found in shops, we did not see any word shop. So it will be what? It will be not given, right? Let me put here not given. Okay, like this. Let's move into the next question. The barbecue will be cancelled if it rains, right? If it's like this, we find in the paragraph is true. So what will be is negative. The barbecue will not be cancelled if it rains, or barbecue will be continued or will held if it rains, then it will be false. Let's read the paragraph where we left it and see if it's true or false. Okay, so we read this paragraph. Let's move to the third paragraph. The Saturday barbecue will start at 2 p.m. and continue until 10 p.m. with the bouncy castle for kids. The barbecue will be held in Palmer Field or in the town if there is a rain. So you guys, it says it will not be cancelled because if it rain, the barbecue party will held in the town hall. So that means is what? It's false because it's not going to be cancelled, right? So here we were going to write false. So let's move to the next question, 11. Adult can attend the barbecue at any time without change. So we can make this question negative in two ways, right? Like adults can attend the barbecue at any time with charge. Like if they have to pay the charge, they can cancel at any time. Or adults can attend the barbecue at any time or until the specific time, like before 12 p.m., like 3 p.m. So then it will be false, right? If its time is given, right? So let's see what it says. Yeah, we left it here, I think. Yes. Book these tickets now as they always sell out very quickly. Entry for under 16 is free for all day. Adults can come for free until 6 p.m. Like before 6 p.m., they can come free and pay after pound five after that. So these mean that they at any time. So this means they cannot come at any time free. Without charge means free. Like if they come after 6, they will have to pay. And if they like, do you see? And if they come before 6, it's free. If they come after 6, they will have to pay. So what is will be? What is will be false? Like the adults can attend the barbecue party and at any time without charge. So they have to pay the charge, right? They cannot come at any time because there is certain time they can come free. So that will be false. So let's move to another question, guys. Amateur musician will perform during the whole of the barbecue. Amateur mean like who are not professional, who are beginner, who do something like for fun, right? Amateur musician will perform during the whole of the barbecue. Its negative will be like amateur musician perform during some part of the barbecue, like like for 2 3 hours. So then it will be false, right? Or amateur, what is will be its negative? Is opposite. Professional musician. So then it will also be false. So let's say it's true or false. We're gonna read where we left it. Yes. Yeah, there will be live music throughout with local amateur bands in the afternoon and professional musician in the evening. So like amateur bands will perform in the afternoon and professional musician in the evening. So that means amateur musician will not perform during the whole of the barbecue because in the evening professional will perform. So this will be also be false. So let's move to the other question now. If seating is available for watching the boat races, if seating is not available, then it will be false. Let's see. We're gonna go move to the next paragraph now. On Sunday, we are delighted to introduce an afternoon boat races arranged by Ripton Rowing Club. The spectator by the bridge has plenty of room to stand and cheer the boats home. In addition to number of benches, so this means in addition to number of benches, there is also plenty of room to stand. So this means benches means seats. So there will also be seats available, right? Seating is available, so that's true. So let's move to another question. People attending the festival will be asked to donate some money, right? So if they will not be asked to donate some money or they give their charity by their own, right? Then it will be false. And if it does not match with the both, it will be not given. Let's see if it's true, not given, or false. Yeah, here we're gonna go to the where we left it. The winner of the races will be presented with the trophies by the mayor of Ripton. All the money raised by the festival go to the sport. It says money raised, but it does not say that if they were asked to donate money or they give charity, right? It does not say that because it's false. Okay, it's not given. Let me show you how to can double check is false or not given. The false will only be people attending the festival will not be asked to donate some money. If it matches like this, then it will be false. Because it doesn't match with it will not be asked, so that's when it's not false. Because we did not see read in the paragraph, they will not be asked. It simply says that all money raised by festival go to sport, the sports club in Ripton. So it does not say anything, so it will be not given. So guys, the best strategy, as I said earlier, you is first read the question, and then as you look at the question, you should have an idea how it's false will be. Then first look at the answer in the paragraph, and then it will be very easier for you because these questions run in sequence. Once you find the answer, the next answer will proceed it. So then read the second question and then find the answer. Then read the third question, then find the answer. In this way, you will have the less chance of making the errors. Okay, guys, thank you. Thanks for listening to the video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel so you can get the new videos. Thank you very much.